Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Let's talk a little bit about factoring binomials.
Binomials. And a binomial, if you're not quite sure what that looks like, would be something like this: 36 minus y to the second. Binomial is because of the exponent to the second power makes it bi, which means two. Bicycle. Remember bicycle has two wheels, right? One day I'll learn how to draw better. But bicycle, binomials. So meaning two. Alright, now when you have a binomial, that means you're going to have two sets of parentheses, generally. And so how do you factor the binomial? Well, you know that 6 to the second power is 36, so you can have a 6 here, you can have a 6 there. You can have a y here, you can have a y here. Now the only question really is, do you put a positive or a negative in here? Well, if you have a negative, you know you're going to need at least one negative, because a positive times a positive is positive, a negative times a negative is a negative. Or rather, a negative times a negative is a positive. So you're going to need a positive, and you're going to need a negative. And we can easily calculate that out. Let's just solve this problem. 6 times 6 is 36, of course. 6 times negative y is negative 6y. Y times positive 6 is positive 6y. Y times negative y gives you negative y to the square, or negative y to the second. So you just cancel that. It gives you 36 minus y squared, which is where we started. This is how you factor binomials. Thanks for watching.
Let's go take a look at binomials. Let's see if Wolfram Alpha has a better definition. Mathematic quantity expressed as a sum of difference or difference of two terms, a polynomial with two terms. Polynomial. Okay. Let's take a look at that equation and see how it's represented in y squared. 36 minus y squared. See how Wolfram Alpha handles it, and it should produce some more interesting lines than we've been seeing earlier. It's going to produce a parabola, and there's the parabola right there. Plots two different parabolas, and the alternate form for this particular problem is negative outside y minus 6, positive y plus 6. The roots are y equals negative 6 and y equals 6. Polynomial discriminant, 144. The derivative is also there. Global maximums, definitive integral, etc. So from this very simple number, 36 minus y to the squared, we get all kinds of very interesting things. So keep that in mind as you work through math, that these equations, as simple as they might be, actually have representations in graphics and in nature. Thanks for watching.